No need to be alarmed, just here for a regular old checkup. Haven't been to the dentist in a long time. See what's happening. Okay, we're here. I'm getting a little filling, right, doctor? And here's another helper. And we're gonna go in now. Ready?
A little bit deeper.
So far, so good. He hasn't put in the filling yet. It's just making a hole. Now it's the filling, right?
Yeah.
Was there a lot of decay?
Yes. Alright, sorry. So. If you stay moving like that, I can't do the shot. Could you move to the right side?
It's done. Well, he has to shave it off, like it's like there's a little bit of a bump, a little bump. But there it is. That's step one. Now what? What's happening next? I actually came in to get a cleaning, but then I went to this other dentist. See, I haven't been to the dentist in like a year or a year and a half. So I went to my original dentist to have a checkup because that's where my original file is. And then in that process, he said, "Oh, you have a couple new decays." And then I said, "Well, I'm going now to get my cleaning, and I'll let them know." And then instead of doing the cleaning, we're doing the filling right now. Okay. Just got this one filled, and I got the scaling done. So this one had like what do you call it? He had to drill out quite a bit to get that one. And then this one he decided not to do because it was underneath the gum, and I could probably stop its progress through, proper hygiene, he said. So overall, I would say it was a satisfying trip. This is where it all took place. This is here at PUC, Puthisastra University of Cambodia's dental school. So this was a doctor, and there was a student here accompanying the doctor, but it was the doctor who had a real doctor, who graduated from PUC, and over here maybe you saw that there was an assistant and who was a student, I think. But overall quite good. So I think this was 20 for the filling. The scaling cleaning was 16, and so 35 for the whole thing out of pocket. Not bad. That's how it goes. All right, I'm going to take off now. I got to go pay. Overall, it was quite good. Painless, even the drilling part. And I hadn't been to the dentist in probably a year and a half. He said, considering I hadn't been here for a year and a half, I didn't have that much buildup on my teeth, so it turned out to be okay in the end. I am Mr. J here at the PUC Dental Clinic. All the best. This is like a training room. Looks like it's a big classroom almost. I was in that room. Now it's locked. See it? Wow, it's a big facility. See that? There's someone getting there. Wow. It was only an hour and 10 minutes. Not bad. So the filling and the scaling, $35. I pay with ABA. Okay, I'm going to scan now. Hold on. Oh, my receipt. Excellent.
Everything has been done.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Let's go. See that? You're at dental hospital right there. So yeah, if you ever come in, if you ever want to get your teeth done, you come into this office here and go talk to them. This is University of Puthisastra, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. And you come on in here, park your motorbike like I did. You can call them, of course, in advance. Call them in advance. I came here yesterday, made a tentative appointment, and then I got their number, and then I called earlier to confirm it. And then I came in about an hour ago for the actual scaling and filling. I didn't realize I needed to get fillings done today. But this whole thing cost 35 clams. Not bad. So I'm going to take off now. My motorbike. Old, I don't even know what brand it is. It's from China originally, and then someone drove it here from Vietnam. And I bought it for $180 maybe, $150. I forget now. Still got the Vietnamese license plate. It's like a Mad Max motorcycle, really. See that? I put these things on, these reflectors, because the thing was totally black when I bought it, and I was afraid that no one would see me. I was afraid no one would see me in the dark at night when I'm riding, so I put those reflectors on it, and it seems to have done the job. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Adios.